What if I told you that your tiredness, cold hands, or lack of stamina after 40 is not just aging, it's your blood circulation crying for help? And the good news? You can reverse it naturally starting today. Let's fix the flow and bring your energy and performance back to life. Hi everyone, welcome back to ZenUp, where we talk about science-backed ways to stay young and powerful, no matter your age. If you're over 40, this one's for you, because today we'll reveal 5 proven habits that can restore your blood circulation, boost your energy, and help you perform like you're 30 again. Part 1. The root cause. Why circulation declines after 40. As we age, our arteries stiffen, the heart pumps a little slower, and our blood carries less oxygen to the cells. That's why you may feel cold, weak, or mentally foggy. But here's something fascinating. Research from Harvard shows that simple lifestyle shifts can actually retrain your blood vessels to stay young. Part 2. Fix the flow. 5 circulation-boosting habits. 1. Start your day with a 10-minute heart walk. Morning movement gets your blood pumping, opens up your vessels, and wakes up your metabolism. It's not about miles. It's about movement. Even pacing in your living room counts. 2. Eat red power foods. Beets, pomegranates, and watermelon are nitric oxide boosters. They help widen blood vessels and improve oxygen delivery. Athletes use them, and so should you. 3. Add a hot-cold shower cycle. End your shower with 30 seconds of cold water, then switch back to warm. This quick contrast therapy trains your vessels to expand and contract, like a workout for your circulation. 4. Get enough magnesium and vitamin K2. These 2 nutrients help your arteries stay flexible and prevent calcium buildup. Think of them as natural artery cleaners. 5. Deep breathing, the oxygen reset. Twice a day, take 10 slow, deep breaths through your nose, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale slowly. This simple routine floods your blood with oxygen and reduces stress hormones. Bonus tip, performance secret. If you want better physical and mental performance, don't forget hydration. Your blood is 90% water. Dehydration thickens it and slows circulation. Drink a glass of water every 2 hours, even if you're not thirsty. So there you have it, your roadmap to restore blood flow, regain energy, and feel like yourself again. It's not about reversing time. It's about retraining your body to function at its best. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ZenUp, where we make healthy aging simple and real.